guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, the Brittany Shanice. Of course, I have a Jessieswig. It is a 5x5 90s layered cut wig, 20 inches, 180 density, and I also have a 12% coupon code. Check the description, and it will also be linked down there as well. So with this wig, it's already pre-parted and it doesn't have a lot of room, to switch up, but underneath there's a layer of mesh where it looks, more natural. So I just decided to use my Got To Be as a quick little install. Then I applied the makeup, pat. And the Got To Be was not enough, so eventually you'll see that I added some lace glue to the edges because I wanted it to be more secure, because the Got To Be was not doing it for you, girl. I needed a little more security. After securing the lace, I decided to tweeze a little bit and also added a little makeup off camera, but it wasn't really needed. Here, I'm trying to, perfect the layers, which I probably should have never touched these layers because I don't know what I'm doing. I have never cut layers. If I have, it probably wasn't perfect, but it really didn't need a trim, but I decided to trim it just a little bit, and it was still cute. I would like to say this hair is very soft, and for a moment I was like, I don't even need baby hairs, which I still didn't, but you'll see that I add baby hairs and it just looks natural and she cute.
Imagine, if you will, sitting down to your morning coffee, turning on your home computer to read the day's newspaper. Well, it's not as far-fetched as it may seem. In fact, both local San Francisco papers are investing a lot of money to try and get a service just like that started. Science editor Steve Newman reports on one person already using the brand new system.
Okay guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. It was, calm and relaxing install video. But be sure to check the description box for Jessieswig 90's layered 20-inch unit. And don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and always come back for more. Follow me on all socials. Thank you for watching. Bye.